Over the past few years, blockchain technology have developed and spread dramatically, and receiving more and more attention from society. The new paradigm called Web3 is emerging. On the other hand, there are scam projects and hacking incidents. Although Web3 world is immature, we are thinking it is time to start experimentation to find out how we can use this new technology for social activities. Hi, I'm Yuki Kawabe from Code for Japan. We Code for Japan try to encourage civic tech activities in Japan. We organized summits and hackathons, also work with government and other companies. Today, we have 6,700 members in our Slack community and over 600 projects born from our hackathon. We are happy to that, and we want to encourage the community more and more and spread the civic tech activities. For that purpose, we started to use Web3 as a new approach and found a project called HACKDAYS. Let's get into it. We are trying to empower the civic tech community with Web3. There are three main things we are trying to do. For first, mint NFTs to visualize contributions. For second, incentivize community tokens to encourage continuous projects. For third, make contribution in one community a foothold for joining other communities. Blockchain technology allows us to own digital data so that we can prove what project we have contributed to and what our civic tech activity history is. It will also allow us to keep a permanent record of what kind of people have contributed to each project. Here is the mission, vision, and value of our project. The mission is maximize values by connecting one spirit. Collaboration among diverse people is essential to the success of project and to maximize its value. To this purpose, we work to connect people's passion for solving problems and spirit of contributing to the project. Our vision is a better society built through a chain of contributions. Each contribution may be small. However, when linked together, they can produce great results and make better society. Our values are encourage the brave to take the first step, visualize the value of hands-on work, and circulate cycle of trust and thanks. Let me introduce our product here. We have developed Mintory, a service for minting proof of participation NFTs to encourage continuous participation in events, such as hackathons and ideathons. This is our first product. The unique feature of Mintory is the NFTs evolve depends on times of your participate in the event. First-time participants are given simple NFTs, and the more times they participate, they receive rich NFTs. This will provide an incentive for participants to attend more than once. It also allows event organizers to identify who has which NFTs, so they can give special gifts to participants who have participated many times. We organized a workshop at the hackathon event to give an NFT with Mintory. Since some of our community members are new to Web3, we prepared detailed instruction. We did on testnet in this time. Here are the results of the workshop survey. Many people found it easy to get NFT, and all participants were willing to get it at the next event. When asked if they would recommend it to a friend, opinions were divided. Some were happy to recommend it, while others couldn't recommend because they couldn't explain what's the value of NFT. When asked about features they would like to see, the most popular opinion was that it would be nice to have a page where their contributions can be visualized in a cool way. Our challenge has only just begun. So what's next? We will mint NFTs for participating in the event and contributing to projects, so that these can be visualized as a history of activities. We are also planning to create a system where Civic hackers can send tokens each other as a token of appreciation. We will then issue membership NFTs that certify that a person is a member of the Code for Japan community, and tag NFTs, community tokens, and other information to it. By doing so, people can show their own Civic Tech activity histories. At the end of this lightning talk, I would like to propose about standardization. In order to enable Civic hackers all over the world to connect and collaborate with each other, we think recording the history of contribution in the blockchain is useful. Wouldn't it be great if people who are active in one community could be active in another? However, starting an activity in a new place is not easy. At that time, we believe that proof of contribution in one place will be a foothold. This is in the future, but I think one way to do this is to consider standardization by us and propose it to the Ethereum community as an ERC or EIP. If you have any questions or you want to discuss more in detail, please join us. We have Discord server and GitHub. We also have Slack workspace as Code for Japan. Thank you for listening.